just wanted to make a quick video. If you're experiencing an annoying hum out of your self-amplified studio monitors like this, let me turn it on. Then you can solve it with one of these. It's a ground eliminator plug. And here it is with the plug installed. As you can see, let me turn it back on. Nothing. They're quiet. It's amazing. So yeah, I hope that helps someone out there that's having the same problem that I was having. Thanks.